Jody Hall is the Vice President with the American Iron and Steel Institute, handling the automotive side of things. Some of you who watch our programs know that she was recently on Autoline After Hours as well. Here we are at the Management Briefing Seminars. You are one of the speakers here. What's your message to the audience?
Well, my message today is looking out into future mobility and all the challenges that it brings and how important it is to collaborate together as an industry. We have lots of years of collaborating with the automakers and we've been successful, so we think the whole industry should adopt that.
One thing that I've always admired about the American Iron and Steel Institute is it looks at the total steel ecosystem. So you look at steel processing, stamping and welding, the body shop, all the way to a finished body.
Yes.
Is that what you mean by collaborating, or what do you mean?
Well, actually what we mean by collaborating is it entails all of those functions, but it's really all the people. So getting all the right heads together, all the right minds in the same room. So we collaborate the steel industry, so they're all competitors with one another, and we collaborate also with our customers and in a group, so automakers together, Ford, FCA, General Motors, Honda, Toyota, etc., all together to solve these big problems.
Give us an example of what kind of things you're trying to get all these different companies together on to collaborate on.
Well, you mentioned a few, like the stamping. We've been working with Auto Steel Partnership for 32 years and trying to implement new grades of steel, and with every time you implement a new material, there are issues in manufacturing. So we solve those issues together because the customer doesn't really care about how you make the car, they care about the final product. So we're solving problems on how to better stamp the materials and weld them together and do it efficiently so that we can also save costs.
I got to imagine all these different companies still do things a little bit differently. I can't believe you're looking at trying to get them all to do exactly the same thing.
No, actually they do things a lot differently. We're finding that our customers, even though they're all using different grades of steel, they do it differently. They might use a laser welded blank or a hydroform tube, but they're using the same grades of steels and manufacturing processes. They're just applying it in different areas differently.
So what do you want to see come out of this? You've been doing this collaboration already in the past. What's new and different going forward?
I guess it was really the new challenges moving forward. I mean, everybody's working with fewer resources and the industry gets smaller and smaller in one sense every year, but bigger and bigger in challenges and technology. So I think to really move quickly and to serve our customers well, we need to work together to solve those problems.
And I got to believe what you're talking about is this move to electrification and autonomy and all the other changes that are coming in the industry.
Oh, yeah, absolutely. You know, future mobility and autonomy, look at the change in the vehicles, and now we're packaging batteries instead of internal combustion engines, which is much different. With autonomous vehicles, we have B-pillarless designs, which is very challenging for the industry. And you know, we think with our advanced high-strength steel product that we can do it most efficiently. So we want to work together with automakers to deliver what they need.
Oh, good. And I like that idea, B-pillarless cars.
B-pillarless,
yeah,
yes.
The designers are going to love that, not just the passengers.
Oh, absolutely, yes. It's good for ingress and egress for the passengers, and the designers have been wanting to do it for years.
Good. Jody Hall, thanks so much for this brief snapshot of what you're doing there.
Great. Thank you, John. It was a pleasure.
Shiloh designs and manufactures innovative, multi-component, multi-material, lightweight solutions. Our disruptive technologies are transforming the mobility industry, meeting the needs of our customers today and planning for tomorrow.